Hello everyone, welcome to AMX. This channel is all about Metaverse Experience. Metaverse is not only for gaming or entertainment. You can browse the internet, teleport yourself in the virtual world, work and businesses, and more. Knowledge and skills on Metaverse and virtual reality is critical to your jobs, works, and social interaction in the coming years. I just bought Oculus Quest 2 VR headset and I would like to share with you step-by-step setup, safety features, and its maintenance and care. Subscribe to AMX so that you will be notified every time we publish a video about Metaverse. First, what are inside the box? You will find the headset, a pair of controllers, charger cable, glasses spacer, reference guide, and safety and warranty guide, including 2 AA batteries. In order to set up your Oculus Quest 2, you have to download the Oculus smartphone app from either the Google Play or Apple App Store. You need the smartphone for the first time you set up your Oculus Quest 2. Once you have installed the Oculus app, open it and you will see the login screen. Log in with your Facebook or Meta account and continue. If you don't have existing Facebook or Meta account, you have to create it before you use your Oculus Quest 2. The games and apps you download will be linked to your account. This is a good setup because anything you have purchased is safe if ever something happens in your Oculus Quest headset. After you have created or entered your Facebook account, it is time to set up your VR profile, which is your unique way to express yourself in VR. You have to add VR profile photo or your avatar and create your username. Next, you may add your Meta friends. You can connect with people you already know from Meta, so you can chat, play together, and more. After that, select your privacy setting, add a payment method, and create your PIN code. Just a reminder, write your PIN code number and don't lose it. You need it when you buy games or apps in the VR store. I almost lost mine. Then, make sure that the headset is turned on and nearby your phone to detect your pairing code automatically. Ensure that your phone Bluetooth is on. If, for instance, the Oculus app does not prompt you to pair, look at the headset for the 5-digit code. And in the Oculus app, go to Devices, Pair New Headset, and enter the 5-digit codes you got from the headset. The headset will begin to pair with the Oculus app. Do not close the app or switch off until after you complete the setup process in VR. Once the headset is paired, read and follow the health and safety information provided. After that, you are now ready to complete the setup in VR. Put on your headset and follow the instruction. Connect your headset to Wi-Fi, and after that, your headset will update with the latest software. It takes a little bit time based on my experience, so you may remove the headset from your head and wait the sound after the software update is complete. You have to keep the Oculus app open during the update process. After the software update, you are ready to use it. However, be informed of the important notes on how to use your VR headset so that the picture is clear and the headset is comfortable to you. First, adjust the lenses by shifting it left or right until it clicks to the position that makes the picture clear for you. There are 3 lens spacing settings. Next, it is time to adjust the straps. Adjust the side strap first, then put on the headset and adjust the top strap. You may adjust the clarity by gently moving the firm arm on either side of the headset up and down to adjust the angle of the headset against your face. You will know that the headset is worn correctly when it is resting properly on your face and the picture appears clearly. Next is setting up Guardian. The space and preference will dictate which mode is best for you. You may play game in room scale and can walk around in the play area, or in the stationary mode, either sitting or standing in one place. The ideal room space is 6.5 feet by 6.5 feet of playing space or larger. Your area must be clear from any obstacles that you might collide with while you are in your virtual environment. Beware also of any overhead hazard. Avoid use of the headset in, near, or under areas of objects or things that could cause injury. The first step in Guardian set is to check the tracking by setting the floor. To check the height of the floor, gently lower your controller to the ground and look at it. You will see a virtual grid appear on the floor. Once the grid is correctly locked, the floor level, hit continue. Important reminder, always wear your touch controller wrist straps when in VR. When setting up Guardian for the first time, you will see what we call pass-through. Pass-through is a feature that allows you to take a quick look at the outside world to get you oriented in the space around you when wearing the device. Pass-through is essential for creating your play area. Next, it is time to define your play area. By defining your play area will help your Guardian notify you if you are start moving outside of it. Point the controller at the ground and use the trigger button on the controller to trace the play area. Be sure to leave extra space between your play area and your walls, furnitures, and other obstruction. You can skip the setup if you want to use Oculus Quest 2 in a stationary seated or stationary standing position. Okay, once you hit continue, you will see the blue Guardian boundary tracing your play area. You will get a warning if you get too close to the boundary area or step outside of it. Check if this boundary is correctly positioned and clear of any obstruction. If you feel that the Guardian is not set correctly, click the back arrow to restart the Guardian setup. Okay, Oculus Quest 2 maintenance and care. To keep your Oculus Quest 2 operating at its peak performance, you have to know its proper care and, of course, maintenance. It is important that you keep your Oculus Quest 2 away from the direct sunlight. The sun rays can cause permanent damage to the lenses and screen inside. Do not place it near your window or any place that direct sunlight can hit the lens. To clean the lenses, use a dry optical lens microfiber cloth. Do not use liquid or chemical cleanser. When cleaning your headset, use non-abrasive antibacterial wipe to clean the strap and the facial interface foam. Do not use alcohol or abrasive cleaning solution. What about if you are wearing glasses? Modifying the headset to work with glasses is easy with glasses spacer. It is compatible if it is smaller than 142 mm wide and 50 mm in height. To insert the glass spacer, gently remove the facial interface foam, then attach the glasses spacer to the back of the facial interface with the glasses icon on the top. Press the spacer and the pressing point located at the top and bottom of the facial interface. You should hear a click once the spacer is locked in. Then reinsert the facial interface foam back into position. How to navigate in Oculus Quest 2? Oculus Quest 2 offers a wide variety of VR experiences to discover. You can find and download them. In VR, click on the Explore menu where you find recommended contents or select Store to see all the available games and apps. Reminder, choose your content carefully. Read the provided content information. If you are new in the virtual reality like me, start with the comfortable content before trying the intense content or unrated contents. Once you download something, you can always find it in your library. Remember, all your purchases are linked to your account, so you will never lose anything even something happens to your headset. How to use your Oculus Quest 2 controller properly. I found it difficult on the first time. So to make a selection in VR, hover your pointer over your selection and click the back trigger button. Pressing the Oculus button will bring up the menu. To quit out of the games or application, press Oculus button, then hit quit. You can also use the Oculus app to easily browse, buy, and download contents to your account. One of the features of Oculus Quest 2 is casting. So what is casting? Oculus Quest 2 gives you the ability to cast, letting you share what you see in the headset with a friend. You can cast your VR picture to a mobile phone, compatible TV, or compatible casting-enabled device. In order to cast, you will need the Oculus app handy. Make sure your phone is in the same Wi-Fi network as your headset. Now, you can navigate to the cast button on the top right of your app menu tab. Next, you will be prompted to select which device you want to cast from and where you want to cast to. If you don't have a cast-compatible TV, you may cast to your mobile phone instead. After you choose which device you want to cast to, there will be a confirmation in your headset. In VR, click Allow to enable casting. This will share your picture in real time. Thank you for watching. See you in the Metaverse.